Okay, I'm in Brodick and I'm getting the MV Alfred to Troon because I'm going back. I was on holiday. Yeah, so I was gonna actually get the 1550, but I didn't know if it was gonna be cancelled or not, so I had to put the 11 something. Don't know what time it is. It's 11 o'clock-ish. So yeah, whatever. Yeah, so yeah, that. So I've just parked my car here. 2 seconds. So I've parked my car here. Let's go. There's plenty of seating up here. I'm back here. Yeah, so plenty of seating. Wait a second, I don't care. Yeah. Loads of seating there, and even more here. So, I need someone's plug socket. Here's Finn.
Oh yeah.
There's 2 here.
Can I go across?
Yeah, you can go across. Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm just gonna walk out of it.
You alright? Yep.
So, yeah, plenty of seating on this side and back there.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please be reminded that this is a non-smoking vessel. I repeat, non-smoking vessel. Thank you.
See you later.
So, this is my post, but the cafe is closed. Slightly annoying if you want to eat something. But, just go upstairs. And there's a single vending machine. It's got no stuff to eat and drink in it.
Like the meeting area.
So
Yeah, so we just need
this is
somewhere where
the
we could
current
drink
Brodick.
and have something to eat. And then
We're still boarding, so this is yeah, so in Brodick. Yeah, I've got the gangway here. They don't use it for the Alfred because it's not the right type of ship, but for all the other most of the other California so yeah, so the people in the middle, like these trucks here and those trucks there and all the stuff, they have to reverse on, which is probably pretty hard for that double-sided truck. Yeah, so they have to reverse on to here because there's only one ramp, so this side doesn't have a ramp but this side does. So they have to reverse on to get to the middle. There are 5 lanes in the ship, but you see here he's having to turn around to onboard the ship. So all the trucks had to come in backwards, but this van's really just turning around here. So there are not that many cars left aboard. Well, quite a lot of staff, so they can board people quite easily. Yeah, so there are bathrooms there and there. There's a nice map of where these guys' ferries go. So this is Pentland ferries, but I think it might be being rented by Caledonian McBrain because this is a Caledonian McBrain ticket. So yeah. Some stuff and maps and stuff. I'm just gonna go back at the back again. So yeah, see it's still boarding. Also, for the inside where my car is, there's a 3-meter height restriction, which is interesting. And then for the main part of the ship, there's a 5-meter height restriction. It's a nice boat, I guess. It's okay. It's got most things. I mean, I'd like a cafe, but you don't need a cafe. Let me just walk back through here again, because I'm going to show you a few bit more. There are lots of holes in the ground for ropes, I guess. And then smoke detectors and stuff. Yeah, so CCTV and stuff. So it's actually quite a big ship. The size of it. There's a children area for children, if you have children. There's yes, the car deck's down there. These doors are obviously closed at sea, so you can go down the stairs. So it's the other side. So yeah, there's obviously plenty of seating. There are TVs in lots of places that show you like where people are going, where they're very silty. There's all of this stuff and a map of iron because they're using the Alfred for iron. So this is the boat here. So that's quite nice. I think they just about finished boarding, so I'll let you watch the ramp go up, of course. So I'll just go here.
Alfred for your training today. We'd like to advise passengers that the stern door is closed and the vessel is secure for free. We ask you to please be seated whilst the vessel is berthing and unberthing and when instructed to do so by a crew member. Please pay careful attention to the following safety announcements. Your attention is sought.
So, if you can hear me over the car alarms, we have departed Alfred. The captain did say about 20 minutes in it's going to get a bit choppy, so I really want to film that, so that'll be a fun bit of film. So, yeah. I'm going to go in here, so you can hear me a bit better. Oh, okay. It's also raining outside, so... nicer in here. Quite a nice boat. Yeah. So, pockets, which is good. There's a lot of stuff in there. These don't recline, but I don't really care. Got some armrests, not on the one side. So if you're sitting in the middle, you have no armrests. Yeah, you got plenty of leg room here. So yeah. I'm gonna go back out on deck, but I'm gonna go upstairs. Well, those are life jackets, so yeah. Emergency instructions and that. Yeah, good enough vending machine. I'll give you a toilet tour soon, don't worry. There's another, oh there's the urinal there actually. Freight vessels in there. Yeah. So, bathroom. It's small, but what you really need: sprinkler, bathroom, sprinkler, toilet, heater, toilet roll, and bin. No hand dryer, but you don't need one because they've got that. Water, soap, bags, yeah, bin. So that's really it. Also, I realised that there's a little thing here. I don't know what it's for, but it's a thing. Anyway, oh, you can take it off. Sorry, I just realised you can take this bit here off. And I'm not going to, but you can. So. I guess it must be like a headrest cover or something. Let's change it every so often. Yes, I've got these things in the ground which probably can lift up somehow. Yeah. Oh, the Shirley airline's passed us already. If I just keep this as stable as I can, I should see it rolling about a bit. Until this seats.
Oh, isn't it?
Oh my god. Yeah. Very trying very hard to not crash into any of these walls or anything. But yeah. So post cafe, I've already shown you that. I don't really think there's anything else to show you that much, so I'll show you us arriving and then that'll really be it. So yeah. Okay, it's rolling about a bit more now. Let me just come in here. Okay, now it's calmed down straight as I start filming. Oh, I think. Yeah, that's fun. Yes. So. Okay, that's Troon. Windy out there as well, so my hands are really cold, which is great. So, yay! At least we're here. There's the port there. See where the windsock is? That is where we're going to try and dock. Sorry if you can't hear me because of the engines or whatever. They're just turning around to get in there where the blue thing is in the windsock. So, yeah. More turning. Yeah. Surprised they're not the ship. No, not surprised. So I'm just gonna head very windy and I'm going inside so you can hear me. Oh, that was horrible out there. Not very nice out there, but at least I wasn't sick. Oh, yes, moved this back up. Whatever. So yeah, Troon. Okay, we are arrived now. So I'm just gonna go downstairs and get into my car. God, that was a very interesting journey.